Namaste. This is Sundarambal Sai Ramesh from Sai School of Yoga. So today's topic is simple breathing with synchronized action. So what is simple breathing with synchronized action? An inhale and an action, an exhale and an action. So you have to synchronize your inhale with the action of your hand and exhale with the action of your hand. Okay. In yoga, they say, or in pranayama, which stands after the asana. So in Ashtanga Yoga, the pranayama places the fourth place after the asana, then yama, niyama, asana, and pranayama. So in pranayama, they say you have to exhale, double the exhale. So whatever be the amount of your inhale, you have to exhale the double. That is, when you inhale for 2 seconds, your exhale must be 4 seconds. If you inhale for 16 seconds, the exhale must be for 32 seconds. So it must be a double of your inhale. But by practice and practice, you will be gaining that amount of strength to exhale longer, double the inhale. But in this simple breathing with synchronized action, you will learn how to exhale well with the action of your hand, and also the body becomes supple and flexible, and prepare your body for the rest of the techniques that you are going to learn in the course of time. So now let's learn this synchronized breathing with action, or simple breathing with synchronized action, whatever it's called. So let's learn this. So this is a little more basic than first step to the pranayama. Before you learn the Vibhaga pranayama, I suggest you to do this and then go for your Vibhaga pranayama. So now you can do this when standing, sitting, in Vajrasan or Sukhasan, or in Padmasana also you can do it, or you can sit in a chair and you can do this, or now as I am standing now, you can also do this in the standing posture. So join your legs together. So first let's start with the abdomen here. Just place your hands over your belly button. Don't push your hands inside, just place it to feel the abdominal movement. Let's do 5 times of this. So for every inhale you have to bulge your abdomen out, and for every exhale you have to take your abdomen in. The same concept. So fill in your abdomen with oxygen and then exhale, take out all your carbon dioxide. So place your hands over your belly button, just place it soft, close your eyes, take a deep breath in, bulge your abdomen out, exhale, take it in. Don't hold your breath. The moment you feel that you have stopped your inhale, go for a nice exhale, and the moment you feel that you exhaled well, go for a nice inhale. So only a half a second of hold will happen. The body takes care. Now let's do 4 more times of this. One more. Slowly elongate your exhale. How the pace was there, don't just gush out your air immediately. Take a same pace, that is, let your exhale be very soft till the last drop that you are exhaling. So keep the pace so soft and long, and at the same pace elongate it until your last exhale, the last drop of your exhale. And then again with a half a second of gap, again inhale and then bulge your abdomen out. So that was for your abdomen. And now let's do with the hand action for the chest. So take your hands forward, let your hands be parallel to the mat. So inhale, watch your hand movement, take your hands to your side, wide open it, exhale. So when you feel that the halfway down that your inhale has stopped, then again come back with an exhale. Don't hold your breath and expand your chest. So go for a nice soft inhale and see your hand movement and elongate your inhale with your hand action. And now I have reached the maximum. I have had enough my chest, and now I come back with a nice exhale. Don't hold your breath. So by doing this, you will know how well to exhale. So when the hand is moving from your shoulders to the front, you will know to exhale longer until your hands come till your front of your bust. Now let's do the synchronized simple breathing with synchronized action with the hands up position for the clavicular region. So hands to your side. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bring your hands down. So exhale well, exhale slowly, and synchronize your exhale with your action. So slowly the hand comes, the slowly your exhale will be. So watch that and do it and keep it in mind so that your exhale will be more than your inhale. One more. A deep breath in. So that was simple breathing with synchronized action. So for every exhale, there is a movement in your body, and you do it very slowly and you synchronize them with your nice exhale. So you can do this with your side also. So take a deep breath in, glide your hands down, and then take a nice exhale. And then exhale well, go with a nice inhale and then come back with a nice exhale and bring your hands down. Let's do with the left. Take a deep breath in. I exhale. I inhale, I go up. I exhale, I bring my hands down. So by doing this simple breathing with synchronized action, there are double benefit. Your body becomes flexible for the yoga, and then you will know how well to exhale, how long to exhale, and how you can elongate your exhale. So all these you will learn by doing this simple breathing with synchronized action. This will help you a preparatory step for the rest of the pranayama technique that you will be learning. So have a nice day. Hope this would help you in your pranayama practice. And this was simple breathing with synchronized action from Sundarambal Sai Ramesh from Sai School of Yoga. Happy yoga. Dharanasu cha yogyata manasa.